AI agents is one of the hottest trending topics right now, and it's a great opportunity for you to enter this market and start selling AI agents. The problem is that many people think that building AI agents is that complicated.
Wait, you are not here for AI agents. You don't care. You are here to make money because you have a 9 to 5 day job. You are busy. Maybe you have 2 to 4 hours per day, but the time you are back from your 9 to 5, your family wants you. You need your personal time and you're completely exhausted to start something new. And that's why probably you tried something in the past, but because you could not take massive action, you did not get great results and you think nothing actually works, or everything is a scam, or you are not worthy. Okay, listen, my friend, look at this. I have a group of 431 members who are making money. They're just like you. I deal with people like this. 60-year-old living in UK, mother of multiple kids, and still busy at her 9 to 5. Young entrepreneur living in Egypt, busy guy, but still make $500 commissions from our program. So I speak to people like this who are just like you every single day. And I know what is possible by them. Yes, this kind of passive income is possible only if you have a right strategy and take action with consistency and discipline. However, making money is not a big deal for them because they are in my 99% done for you program. So yes, we take care of 99% of the technical work for them. Link is in the description. After you click that link, put your email, it will bring you to this page where you will be able to watch the complete training of our 99% done for you system. Please make sure you watch the full training from start to end. And if you have any question, feel free to ask our AI agent and it will answer every question you have. If you still have questions, DM me on Instagram or send me an inbox message on Facebook Messenger. I'll be more than happy to personally guide you. This training is completely free to watch. Go watch it anytime you want. Money making is possible for you. Before we move forward, I have a question for you. Is there anything stopping you from smashing the like button under this video? Because you see, like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media accounts. Then YouTube algorithm knows that this is a good video. They should show it to more and more people. And our content is all about helping you change and upgrade your financial condition. If you do that, then more and more people will know about this. They will get help and you will be a part of changing others' lives. What's stopping you? Go like and share. Oh, we have a goal of having 5,000 followers, subscribers by the end of this month. And without your help, we can't do it. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet and make sure you switch on the notification bell button because this way YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next video and you will not miss the next one. Make sure you tell your friends and family to subscribe as well. Let's go. And the information in this video makes it extremely simple and easy. So what about this AI agent? First, I want you to take an idea what's happening in the AI world.
Journey has 200 million annual recurring revenue at only 10 employees. 11 Labs, 100 million annual recurring revenue, 30 employees. Lovable, 5 million annual recurring revenue, 20 employees. Cursor, 100 million annual recurring revenue, 20 employees. Bolt.new, 20 million annual recurring revenue, 30 employees. These companies are all using AI agents.
That's the point I wanted to make. Due to AI and AI agents, running money-making businesses is easy and simple even for people like you. So I was excited to watch this video. I watched this video, but unfortunately Hassan Abul Hassan is a phenomenal teacher, but he is extremely technical. If I want you to watch this video, you will probably get lost. So I have watched it, analyzed it, and I found the teachings in a simple format and I am going to deliver it to you in a super simple detail and step-by-step system that you can take action right now and start making money using AI. So what this video basically says is do a market research and find problems of small businesses because small businesses have money and they have budget to solve their problems. For example, restaurants take appointments on phone calls, but this process takes time. This process takes a person to receive phone calls, talk to potential customers, answer their questions, book a table for them. Is it really a pain or not? We'll come back to it later. I have already done the job for you, so don't worry about it. I'm just saying when a restaurant have this problem, they're already spending money on someone or an employee to solve that problem for them. If you can show them that your AI solution works better and more efficiently and it works 24/7 and it costs way less, they will pay you the money for your AI service. Okay, I know you don't have time for this. Mosh, what you talking about? I am an elite guy. All I do is go to work, sit on my desk, perform my task, get paid, I come back home. I am not a marketer and I'm not a salesman. I'm not gonna speak to any business owner and try to sell them anything. I know, my friend, I know what's in your brain. You are elite. You may not have money in your pocket, but you are elite. You have prestige. You don't speak to people. You don't show your face. Well, no worries. I'm not judging you. I'm just saying AI has solution to all these issues. Whether you're introvert, extrovert, you talk to people, you hate people, doesn't matter. AI will do everything for you. I'm going to show you how. So this business model has 6 steps. AIRBOT, airbot. Your money is in this step. The first parts are extremely boring, but will be done by AI, so don't worry. Analyze problems. Step number 2, identify your niche. Let's do this, bro. I went to Perplexity AI. I asked a simple question. I want you to identify pain points of US-based local businesses that have low number of employees. First, write a complete list of businesses, identify their problems that they dislike because of small team power. Rate the problems out of 5, how likely they would invest in AI agents to perform those dreadful, boring, time-consuming tasks for them. Example, common tasks. Small business dislike scheduling appointments, responding to basic emails, social media posting, data entry, etc. Use online forums, local business groups, and even chat with small business owners to find out what tasks they dread. Present in a table with columns with serial number, business name, type, pain problem, rating of intensity of the problem, and likelihood of investing in AI agents. Use bullet points and 6th graders language. Now, the most of what I have just read to you, I took it from here. They're not my brain fart. And Perplexity AI did an extensive, deep research on the internet and got all these information. It gave me 10 business types that have a severe pain point or problems. It gave me the exact problems, the intensity of the problem, and likelihood to invest in AI agents. And I want to show you something interesting. Look at this. This one problem has 5 out of 5 intensity and 5 out of 5 likelihood on investing in AI agents. And what is that? It's marketing agency. So posting social media content and writing client reports. These businesses have a huge problem of posting social media content. Now guess what? This posting social media content is the problem of everyone. All these businesses. You see where I'm going? I have already found a list of businesses that have a lot of problems, but I need more. So in order to identify my perfect niche, I need to understand how the marketing message is going to be. I need to understand why the intensity of the problem is so high that they're going to spend their money. So Google's AI gave me some idea that pain points are not enough. You need to understand the sentiment and emotions behind those problems. Identify negative sentiment that points to pain points. For example, if the keyword of the problem is no shows on the appointments, appointment reminders is a problem, scheduling errors, client communication, these are boring words. But when you turn them into emotions, then look, struggling with no shows, tired of phone calls, missed appointments are killing my profits. These are emotional statements. Once you ask AI to give you the sentiment analysis, NLP, etc., you will get these pain points. And when you talk with these pain points in your marketing message, your prospects will listen to you and turn into buyers fast. Hey, AI is going to do it for you, so just stay with me and learn it. You're not going to work, AI will work. I'm going to show you how. While doing the research, we found that Perplexity is also scraping Reddit subreddits. And we found a subreddit of small business owners that has 1.9 million members, tons of talks. We can't read them. We don't have time for that, right? So I asked Perplexity to go through this subreddit and research and summarize in a table with rating out of 5 on which topic business owners are talking about the most that we can use as research data and create products, offers, and services for them. And the job is done in just a couple of minutes. Look at this. Financial management, hiring and retention, marketing efficiency. And when it comes to marketing, I love marketing because you know why? Once I solve somebody else's marketing problem with a tool or AI, it also solves my marketing problem. I mean your marketing problem, which is already somewhere in these steps. I will come to that point. Stay tuned and keep watching. Right, now we got some product development key insights. Look at this. Here are some high priority opportunities. Number one is financial management tools, etc. Quite boring. I mean, I don't want to get involved in tax complexity stuff, but it will solve my problem as well because UAE has already introduced tax, so I'm gonna need those things now. But anyways, I am more interested in marketing automation because marketing automation aligns with small teams and it's important as a time and cost saving solution. And of course, in your case, a faceless traffic marketing and money solution. Perplexity also researched on underserved needs, which could be great niches to start with, like compliance assessment tools could reduce legal risks and businesses in regulated industries like healthcare or food services. Mental health support platforms tailored for small business owners remain rare despite growing burnout discussions. And there is some specific trends on that subreddit as well. And here are some strong recommendations. And one of them is which I am the most excited about. AI social media manager. But Mosh, what are you talking about? I don't have time for this. Can you stop showing frustration for a moment? I'm here to help you. Listen, even you need social media manager. Even my students need social media manager because they use social media to get free traffic, customers, and make this kind of money. And look at the problem. Look at the biggest problem and look at the opportunity. 47% of owners handle marketing alone. They do it all by themselves while they should focus on other important parts of their business. All you have to do is to show them that if they use your AI, they will save time but get more done. They will make more money by getting it done so efficiently that works 100% of the time without using employees, without using their own time, without spending tons of money. And they will welcome your solution. And because they are doing it all by themselves, often lacking time for consistent social media activity. And in social media, consistency is the main thing. You can see I post videos every single day without failing. And that takes us to the third step. Build your AI robot or AI agent. And how to build it? My friend, go to YouTube and search with AI agent for social media. That's good enough. You will find these kind of videos. I mean, hundreds of them. You will be using no-code platforms like Relevance AI and Make.com. And with simple drag and drop interface, you will build an AI robot. Now, this particular AI robot turns long videos into other form of social media posts and automatically publish them on different other social media. Can you imagine that? I mean, you don't even have to create video. There are millions of videos out there on YouTube. Take them, rewrite them, recreate them, repurpose them, and re-upload them on all different platforms, and your job is done. You can charge $300 to $1,000 per month per client. And if you have 10 clients, then you can make $10,000 per month. Now look at this. You are not doing anything. Your AI bot is doing the job. I know you're still confused because AI bot seems good, but Mosh, how am I gonna market my AI bot to the business owners? How am I gonna find them? How am I gonna talk to them? I don't have time for this. Is that what you're saying? Go to YouTube and search for AI outreach automation. Literally, you will see hundreds of videos that will show you how to create an AI agent that will find potential clients, automatically message them, email them, reach out to them without your involvement. This is where the money is. This is called business, which is also known as sales and marketing, completely done by AI. Okay, these two are not important right now. You just need to make money fast. Okay, at this point, I want to share what my students in our 99% Done For You program do. We use AI and we learn valuable skills and knowledge fast. Fast is the keyword here. We don't waste time. We don't get bored. We enjoy exploring AI and learn new skills and knowledge fast. Then we use our experience of using AI and our new knowledge and turn them into short form video content internet. You can do it using your face, your phone camera, or using AI. It's your choice. Then we upload the same video content on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. These platforms send us views. Views are the real people who are looking to solve their problems. And in an automated process, we drive them to an AI-powered automated sales funnel. These sales funnel does the selling on our behalf, and when there is a sale, we earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. And the best of the best part in our system is that it's 99% done for you. So our program members have fun learning AI and trying, practicing, making content, but they don't necessarily have to do all these things because it's already 99% done for you. So in case you are also looking for a done for you system where you don't have to take the hassle of doing all these yourself, then consider watching the free video training and get a complete concept about the whole program. And then of course you can ask questions to our AI agent, or send me a DM on Instagram with your questions, or send me an inbox message on Facebook Messenger if you want to. I'll be happy to answer all your questions. I hope you realized how easy it is to use AI to think for you, plan for you, give you all necessary information, help you decide, find video tutorials for you, analyze those video tutorials on your behalf, and give you full knowledge. And if you don't have time for knowledge, AI will learn for you and do the tasks for you. That's the power of AI and AI agents. And if you're still not happy, then our 99% done for you system is waiting for you. Go watch the free training and then take an educated decision whether this program is right for you or not. Guys, can I ask you a question? Do you think it's fair that I'm sharing all my knowledge with you, my time with you, to basically help you for free, and you, my friend, haven't liked the video yet? Come on, do the right thing. Like the video, share with your friends and family so they also get the benefit. Subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and also ask your friends and family, social media contact to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button, because this way you will get notified when we will upload our next video. For more money techniques, watch these videos and we will see you on the next one.